And these are the ProTrainings First Aid Online First Aid Guidance leaflets. There's 3 of them in total. The first one's on general human first aid, second one's on catastrophic bleeding, the third one's on pet first aid. Now what these are, they're just a basic leaflet, and we put these inside the first aid kits that we produce, and this one goes in any of the standard first aid kits. Catastrophic bleeding goes in our catastrophic bleeding kits and serious bleeding kits, and the pet one goes in our range of pet first aid kits. So what we've got on these leaflets is just some basic information on recovery position and the CPR cycle, and inside it goes through how to use an AED, choking, and some other basic information on different first aid you'll need. They are very basic, but the point of them is to have something easy to reference to should you need it. The catastrophic bleeding one is slightly different. It tells you how to use the rapid stop tourniquet and standard tourniquets, how to use clotter, the new hemostat, and when you open it up, it goes through how to use Celox, and also some other information on bleeding down the far side there. And then the final one is the pet first aid one. Inside here, it goes through the process of doing CPR on an animal, information about pet first aid kits, and then inside we're looking at other information here on some different medical conditions, and also about the use of Coloclot, which is a substance which is a collagen-based sponge, hemostatic sponge, and it's absolutely brilliant for stopping bleeding and promoting healing. So if you've got animals, then that's definitely the thing to use. Coloclot's the pet version of Clotter, which is the human one. So these kits, these leaflets go in any of our kits, but also you can get these leaflets direct from us if you need them.